which other trader is mogging like this, bro? Holy mock. Anyways, so hopefully that's small enough. Essentially, I'm going to be breaking down how I called out this level today. Actually, let me change my colors back. I don't like this at all. Essentially, just going to be going over this 122 level that I called out, which I actually have proof that I did call out. Here. Hold on. Let me show you guys a screenshot of Long's at 122. It's a little reversed for you guys, but that's fine. What's it called? I took 2 entries off of it. Half past 2 accounts because I'm not really, I haven't really been trading Asia for a bit, and I'm gonna be honest, I haven't been trading at all for a bit, but I caught this long twice, not once, but twice. So, back to this level 122. How did I get it? So, no bullish structure. We open up at 1800 and we just start dumping, right? I want to retrace to go longer, right? Then my highest standard deviation leg before we started to move down here. Sorry, let me turn on my 3.5. I don't know why it keeps turning off, but 3.5 is right there. Funny enough, I didn't even see that. I was looking at this right here. This was my leg at first, and then I went to this, and I didn't even realize how 3.5 aligns with 122, probably because it doesn't. It's like half a point off. But anyways, I had the somewhat wrong leg. Next, I was looking at OTE, right? And what's funny enough, right here, if we look at OTE, I bet you it's like 705 or 786 right here. Forgot already, but anyways, 705 right here, aligning with 3.5. So that was another thing that's like, okay, solid, right? We could probably expect something right here, right? Another thing is this low right here. Notice this beautiful little SMT. That was actually my entry. That I like as soon as I saw the SMT form, that was when I entered. But as you can see, with this low to this low right here, there's an SMT, very clear. ES doesn't break this low, and Q does. So that SMT at that standard deviation at that OTE was already solid confluence. However, again, right, I don't just trade ICT. Like I wasn't even looking. I had the wrong standard deviation leg first off. I just thought, okay, if we go any further past this 4.5, since I had this lower leg right here, I was like, all right, if we go any more past this 4.5, we're probably gonna start seeing something reverse here because we're going to be exhausted. Sorry. And next thing that I was also looking at is volume profile, right? So if we look at, sorry, I'm just like flipping around over here. If we look at volume profile of the previous day, which I'm going to show you right now, if I just delete this, right? Fixed range. Go to the 1800 open from previous day to the 1655 right here, right? What we see here is this like really weird shaped bullshit ass volume profile, but what you notice here is that value area low very close here, right? But it's also a pretty strong high volume node. And I was like, okay, it's either we break here and we get into like the 80s, right? Or we give me something right here. Because if I remove this, we have this low volume. As you can see, like within this range, this is the lowest volume area, right? So my thought process right there was kind of like, okay, somewhere around this area, volume, pretty low. I go back, and what do you see? Let's just go and count how many times we react here. 1, 2, 3, right? I could probably find more, dude. It was really solid. 4, 5, 6. Oh my gosh, 7. Actually 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Dude, this thing has been reacting for days. Anyways, so as you can see, it's a very reactive level, okay? And what's nice about that is that, like, since it's a very, very reactive level, there's a high chance that it's gonna be playing out just because it's played out so many times before. Why wouldn't it not play out again, right? On top of that, that OTE and something I do respect, an order block, okay? I don't like fair value gaps, I don't like any of that bullshit, but order blocks, very valid. As you can see, this order block, we did in fact tap into it before going higher, right? And then we have these slight kind of equal highs that we could have targeted, right? So that's how I got the level overall. Entry wise, as soon as we got that SMT initially, I almost entered on this, but then started reacting. I was like, oh shit, I missed it. Next candle opens, it starts hitting again. I'm like, oh wait, it's about to form an SMT. Finally forms an SMT. I take my long, like right, I think it was like 124, and I was only targeting about 38 points here, just because I was trying to get, oh, I was trying to get a quick little dub for 5-point stop. Quick little dub for my eval for one of them, because I had two of them, 2 alpha evals, but I'm not sure. I need to figure out my copy trader. But anyways, just as soon as I market and entered, I think it was like 124.5, not 124.25. It was like 2.5 points above my level. We went up pretty fast. Within like a minute and a half, we hit TP. Really clean, very nice. I was really happy with that. And then on top of that, we went up, and then we started retracing again. And I'm like, okay, now, oh, what the hell? I was like, okay, now what can I expect, right? My next trade on the other eval was the 786 right here, which the 881 like would have given you even a better fill, but took the 786 right here just for these longs right here, and stop was like 9 points or something. No, it was like a little over 9. It was like 9.5 or something. Yeah, so I almost got stopped out here, but we were targeting, I think it's like 75 points. 75.5. Let me get it right. Fair. Alright, anyways, close enough. So like 302 ticks or something. And the reason why I was targeting that was because I only entered with 1 mini this time. Pretty solid trade. It was a little slow. I was waiting for kind of ages here. But then afterwards, as you can see, like we were chopping a little bit pretty slow, but we did end up pumping really good off this level. And I know some people held all the way to here. So yeah, that's the overall breakdown of this level. It's kind of getting late, as you can see. It's kind of 2 a.m. But yep. Hopefully you guys got some sauce. Deuces.